सभी ने बाप दादा द्वारा
Baba said Om Shanti.
पहले तो दृष्टि प्राप्त की.
All of you, first of all, got drishti
ये दृष्टि
from Bap Dada, and this drishti,
बड़े देखा तो आपने स्थूल नेत्रों द्वारा,
although you noticed it,
लेकिन
you were watching it with your physical eyes,
इन नेत्रों में भी
and
बाप की दृष्टि पड़ने से
but even in your eyes, when
दृष्टि
the Father's drishti went,
परिवर्तन हो जाती.
your drishti also gets transformed.
सभी को सारी सभा में कौन दिखाई देते हैं?
In the who to all of you in the whole gathering, who was visible?
सभी नंबर वार ब्रह्मांड दिखाई देती है.
Who is visible
थोड़ा बहुत बीच बीच में मिक्स तो होता है,
in the whole gathering? Who is visible?
लेकिन
Of course, it is all Brahmins sitting in the gathering, and amongst you Brahmins, some are
बुद्धि में
like some are mixed, but mixed Brahmins means not complete. That's what Baba means. So,
बाप दादा ही
but
हरेक यही सोचते
but when Bap Dada,
हमारा बाबा
but
आ गया.
But when you took the drishti, you did feel that our Baba has come.
मेरा बाबा
In each one's intellect, there was
मेरा बाबा
my Baba has come.
हर एक नैनों में यही खुशी की झलक.
In each one's eyes, there was the sparkle of joy,
समा गई है.
the
मेरा
sparkle
बाबा
in each
आ
one's eyes. The sparkle of joy was merged.
सबके नैनों में
Each one felt, my Baba has come.
मेरा बाबा
Who is in each one's eyes? my Baba.
नैनों में भी बाबा दिखाई देता है.
Baba is visible
बाबा ही
through the eyes, and Baba is visible in the intellect too.
इसीलिए आप सबके आंखों में
This is why
प्यारा बाबा, मीठा बाबा,
beloved Baba, sweet Baba,
मेरा बाबा
my Baba
समा गए,
has been merged in your eyes and intellect.
बाप भी बच्चों को उसी रूप में देखते.
Even the Father sees the children in that form as my children.
बच्चे भी उसी रूप से देखते.
And even the children see the Father
बाबा
in the same form as my Baba.
सभी के दिल में
So,
क्या दिखाई दे रहा
what
है?
is
मेरा
visible in
बाबा
each one's heart?
गया.
My Baba has come.
मेरा बाबा,
It is my Baba.
मेरा कहने में
When you say my, you feel so happy.
मेरा
You
बाबा
feel so happy when you say my Baba.
भले कितना भी कहें ये लंदन के है,
From wherever you may be, we may it may be said that you are from London or you are from India,
मेरा बाबा
but each one of you will say my Baba.
बाबा और बच्चे का मिलन हो रहा है.
This is the meeting of the father and the children which is taking place.
ये मिलन भी विचित्र मिलन है.
This meeting is also a very unique meeting.
स्थूल में कोई किसी एज का है, कोई किसी एज का है, लेकिन कौन है तो शार्ट में कहेंगे
In a physical
बाप और
way,
बच्चे बैठे.
it can be when you see it in a physical way, each one can think differently, but one thought is common in all. My Baba has come.
Did so well. लेकिन क्या कहेंगे सब बाबा के बच्चे बैठे हुए,
whether there are 100 people or
जब यहाँ बैठते
1,000 people or however many people,
क्या देंगे,
each one will say, this is my Baba.
भले किस भी रूप में आए हो, लेकिन यहाँ आने से किस रूप में बैठते हो,
in whatever form you
स्टूडेंट
have come, that is whatever your occupation is. But here when you sit,
बाबा के आगे
what is in your thought?
के रूप में बैठ,
You are a student sitting in front of Baba.
बाबा कितने वर्ल्ड के
And
चारों तरफ के
Baba
कोई न कोई आए हुए,
is seeing children from the whole world sitting here because
भले
you have come from different parts of the world. From whichever part of the world you
लेकिन
have
यहाँ
come.
बैठे हुए
But here, while sitting,
क्या फील कर रहे हो,
but here, what you feel while sitting here, you all think that you are godly students.
और टीचर भी कौन है,
And who is your teacher?
स्वयं भगवान
God Himself.
हमारे लिए विशेष
God Himself
मिलने आए,
has come specially to meet us.
भगवान हमसे मिलने आए,
God has come to
या
meet
हम भगवान से
us, or you can say we have come to meet God.
पहचानते हैं,
All of you who have come,
बाबा के
who
पास
recognize
बाबा के पास जाए,
Baba, you say, when you were asked, where are you going? What did you say? We are going to meet Baba. We are going to meet Baba.
के शिकल में मिलने की भावना कितनी
And
है।
the feeling of meeting Baba was so much visible on your face.
सभी के शिकल में बाप और बच्चों के भावना की सूरत,
So the feeling of the children meeting the Father is being felt from your faces.
शिकल में कितना प्यार है,
There is so much love visible on your faces. You are saying, Wah Baba, Wah, this is the song being sung in each one's heart.
और कितना प्यार,
And there is so much love
कितने बाप और बच्चे के रूप
Felt.
में मिलन,
through this meeting of the Father and the children.
आज की सभा में
In today's gathering,
देखो
see,
तो और कोई संबंध नहीं,
there is no other relationship here.
बाप
it is only the father and the children.
चाहे बुजुर्ग हो,
Even if somebody is old,
कोई भी संबंध में,
whatever age he may be,
लेकिन है सब
whatever
स्टूडेंट के रूप में.
he is, but at this time he is a student.
सभी के बुद्धि में स्टूडेंट की भावना,
There is the feeling of I'm a student merged in everyone's mind.
सभी की बुद्धि में एम ऑब्जेक्ट यही है.
In each one's intellect, this is the aim and objective.
अनेक आत्माएं,
There are so many souls, so many countries.
इस ब्रह्मांड जीवन के फर्क में
But where Brahmin
सभी स्टूडेंट
life is concerned, all of you sitting here are
चाहे छोटा
students,
बच्चा भी है,
whether you are physically old in
तो
age
है ही
or
बच्चा,
a small child.
फिर भी
Although someone may be a small child, but still he too is a student
सभी
sitting here.
स्टूडेंट बैठे.
All of you are students sitting here.
आज बाबा ने ये कहा, आज बाबा ने
All of you say to each other, don't you? Baba said this today, Baba said that today.
अशरीरी कैसे रहो,
Today Baba spoke about how to stay bodiless.
ये कितनी अच्छी बात है सुना.
So this you tell each other, there are such good things you tell each other.
सभी के मन में इस समय अपना रूप भी कौन सा दिखाई देता है.
So what is, what do you see your form as in your mind at this time? A student, whether you are physically elderly or young.
काम भी वही कर रहे हैं.
And you are doing the same thing here, studying.
और इस पढ़ाई में
And in this study,
शक्ति कितनी बड़ी हुई.
so much power is filled in this study.
है कितने साधारण, लेकिन पढ़ाई
Although
क्या बन रहे.
all of you are so simple, ordinary, but through this study, what are you becoming? Just see,
पूछेंगे
if any one of you is asked,
आप क्या पढ़ने आए हो,
what have you come here
सब कहेंगे
to study?
मनुष्य देवता
What do you study here?
बन
And
रहे.
each one of you will say, we are studying to become from human beings to deities. We are studying here to become deities from human beings, and see, you are studying with so much love.
हर एक ऐसे रुचि से पढ़ रहे हैं.
Each one is studying with so much interest. And while studying, if any other subject comes up, then, or if some other subject comes up, then the main point which is being spoken on, that will be missed, won't it? But Baba has seen that although it is quite mixed when you are discussing about Gyan, it is mixed sometimes, but all of you have come here only for one purpose, to study knowledge as students. And it is seen that when you come with the aim of only studying, then from your face it is visible that this student is quite serious about the study. He's quite studious. And who is their teacher? And if that one is remembered, then that one is salvaged automatically. God is the one who is teaching here. Have you ever heard of it before, that God even teaches?
इसी पढ़ाई में मेजॉरिटी सब पास हो जाती.
But majority of you do pass in this study. Why?
यहाँ का जो टीचर है.
Why majority of you pass in this study? Why? Because the teacher here teaches you with such a method that and that the moment you hear, immediately it is imprinted in you. You are not the ones who forget. All of you are studying with so much joy and happiness. Baba can see that there's so much of joy and happiness in you while studying. But Baba is also saying that because of some reason, that the aim is that they have come here to study. But for some reason, some circumstances, that instead of studying here,
और कोई सब्जेक्ट में भी attention ज़्यादा है.
Instead of studying here, they have attention towards other subjects. In other subject, in one on another subject. This is why the special homework which is given to you,
उसके तरफ अटेंशन दिया हुआ है और अब भी वही याद.
So those who do pay attention to the homework given to them, they are studying, they have love for the study, and they keep attention, they have attention towards the study all the time, and every moment they are attentive.
हाल में पौने से भी ज़्यादा.
So such students are 3/4 in this hall. So 3/4 of you are the real good students who are very, very attentive towards the study.
देख इस क्लास में बैठे हुए.
So Bap Dada is seeing all of you students sitting in this class and noticing your speciality. Noticing this speciality of yours, that you are attentive.
और कमाल ये है.
And the wonder of all this is
कि पढ़ाई की तरफ
that
अटेंशन देने वाले,
that you are giving good attention towards the study.
आप कौन हो?
So who are you?
वो तो हर एक खुद जानते.
Who am I? This each one knows himself very well.
लेकिन देखा गया,
But then again it is seen
तो अभी के स्टूडेंट जो हाजिर है,
but the students who are present here, all of you students who are present here,
मेजॉरिटी पढ़ने के शौकीन हैं.
amongst you, majority are really having very good interest in the study.
ये देख करके बाप को भी
So on seeing all this, even Baba,
अच्छा लग रहा है.
Baba is feeling, is liking it very much on seeing this, that you are really giving very good attention to the study. Baba is liking this.
की तरफ अटेंशन अच्छी.
You have good attention towards the study.
ये रिजल्ट
This
अच्छी है.
result is good.
अभी इसको आगे बढ़ाना.
And now you have to go ahead more in this.
पढ़ाई में शौक बढ़ाना.
You have to increase your interest in the study. You have to increase your interest in the study.
Attention.
You have to pay attention. You have to pay more attention towards the study.
देने वाली.
And
attention देने वाले अच्छे. तो जैसे
and
आज के रिजल्ट में
and if
पढ़ाई वाले ज्यादा
and
और शौक से.
And so here Baba can see that in this gathering most of you have very good interest in the study and you are studying very, very well with great interest.
संख्या भी अधिक है.
And even the number of those sitting here is a big number, so many. So about over 21,000 have come in the gathering. Many are sitting outside too. This hall is completely packed and hundreds outside. So at least there must be 25 to 26,000 in today's gathering. So Baba is saying, Baba is giving certificate that you are good students, studying very well, paying good attention towards the study.
वो भी रुचि वाले हैं.
So
और टीचर भी.
So you, the students, are paying good interest towards the study, and even the teachers are showing great interest in teaching.
हमें समझते हैं
Baba is
कि स्टूडेंट
mentioning about the teachers sitting here. So many teachers of Maharashtra here. So many teachers sitting here. And Baba is saying that
कम मार्क्स लेवे ये भी कम है.
so, and you are paying attention that students should study well, because if a student doesn't get enough marks in the study, even that you wouldn't like, and therefore
और पढ़ाई का फल लेने वाले हैं.
this study is going to give is
अभी तक
very good
बैठे
fruit. You
नहीं
know
तो आधा
that.
क्लास
You know that, and this is why you are studying. Had you not known that you are going to get good fruit from this study, half of you would be gone. But you are still here. It means you do know that you are going to get good fruit from this study. The result is going to be very good.
फिर भी रिजल्ट में ये जो क्लास आए.
So overall, Baba can see that in this class, amongst all of you,
रुचि है पढ़ाई.
many have great interest in the study. You may clap. Baba is giving you the certificate that you are good students, you have great interest in the study, and children are quiet. Baba is telling you to clap. And now they're clapping and don't want to stop. I'm sure all of you are also clapping, aren't you? Wherever you are, in whichever part of the world, you all are good students. So Baba is giving you the good certificate. You do pay good attention towards the study, and therefore congratulations for that. Well, after all, you are students, and a student means he must pay attention to the study. If he's not paying attention to the study, it it's not really good for him that he's calling himself a student and still not paying attention to the study. A student means the one who pays attention towards the study, and so Baba is announcing the result today, that the result is very good, that you have a lot of interest towards the study, therefore you have passed in study. Now everyone is clapping more loudly. So today, like the principal is giving certificate to the students, and Baba saying, see your faces, you're smiling so beautifully, you're so happy. And you do give time, don't you? To the study, whether it may be 1 hour or half an hour, you do give time to the study. So you do value time as you give time to the study. You do value time, and it's your nature really that whatever you do it with that interest. It's good. It's a good sign that this is your nature, and therefore this class sitting here is a good class. Result is very good of this class.
टीचर को कौन से स्टूडेंट अच्छे
which students are liked by a teacher, by the teacher? Students like you are liked by the teacher. Baba is a teacher too, so he likes you students very much. Even if somebody may say, it's only today that I have become regular, at least you have become regular. You have come in the list of regular students, even if you have come just today. But don't think that just being one day in the class will do. No. Because you need attendance too. No, it's not just coming one day to the class and saying that I'm a student. So all of you are happy when a student comes to the class, but even the student is also happy that I've come, that I'm a good student sitting in the class. So from this you must have understood what Baba wants to say. It is your responsibility to pay full attention towards the study. Why? Because see, teacher is really working hard on the students, is it not?
So teachers.
So Baba teacher, the teachers sitting here, Baba is referring to all the teachers. So to all the teachers as well as to all the students.
Mubarak.
Congratulations for having such good students who have all passed.
अभी कभी भी कोई भी पेपर हो,
And now,
फेल नहीं हो.
from now onwards, let it be any test paper, you should never fail in it.
आपको सबक सिखाया,
because
ये सिखाया,
this is the lesson which has been taught to you,
पास हो गए,
that today you have passed and see your faces.
और जो फेल हुए,
But what about those who have failed?
जैसे कांध नीचे,
Their heads are down.
नेचुरल हो रहा है.
So it's naturally their heads are down because they know they are not good students. So even if they try to put their head up, but then they cannot, their heads go down
सदा
because they know that they are not good students.
बैठो,
So whenever
सदा ये दिन याद रख.
whenever you're appearing in any test paper, remember this day that I have to pass, I have to pass.
टोटल रिजल्ट भी देखी गई.
The overall result was also seen,
अच्छी रिजल्ट.
that comparatively it's a good result.
कभी भी जब भी बैठे पेपर देने, तो हमेशा ये ध्यान रखना चाहिए.
So whenever you're facing any test paper,
फेल कभी नहीं.
you must bear in mind that I should never fail in this test. To fail means
करने वाले.
who fails, the one who feels. Means
सारा साल
somebody feels insulted, somebody feels this, that means he has failed.
मैं
So,
फेल हुआ.
so then you'll remember the whole year like a student. If he fails, he keeps remembering whole year, I failed, I failed, I failed.
कायदे अनुसार तो
Therefore,
बदली हो जाएंगी.
Of course, according to the rule, he may be transferred, but
लेकिन
that guilt will still remain in him that I failed.
संकल्प कभी भी नहीं रखना.
So,
तो नहीं, मुझे भी जो
So-
हुआ सो अच्छा.
you should always think, okay, although whatever has passed is past, sometimes I pass, sometimes I fail. This thought should not come into your mind. You should keep in mind that I have to pass, and
वो कितने हैं,
and to see those
कितने निकले.
who have passed and see their faces and therefore see them. So those who think that we have passed in this test, any test, and we are good students, raise your hand. And everybody raises the hand. We are all good students.
तो भी हाथ उठाने वाले
So Baba is saying,
वो कम है.
but still not all have raised the hand.
सभा के हिसाब से
According to the gathering, not all have raised the hand that we have passed in the test or we are good students.
हमें जब भी पढ़ाई पढ़ते हैं ना, उसमें ये भी लक्ष्य हो, मुझे पास.
So whenever you are studying, you must have the aim, I will pass, I will pass. This should be your aim.
अभी तक जो भी पढ़े हैं आप लोग, पहली से लेकर अब तक जितना भी दर्जे पढ़े हैं, उसमें समझो अभी 8वीं का चले।
Baba is saying, according to
तो
what
आप
you have
कितने
studied,
पास हुए?
it is like you are still in the 8th class still. So 8th,
पास
not
कितने
further
होने
than that.
चाहिए?
So I don't know what Baba means, but he's saying 8th. So how many
चलो
should pass?
फुल पास नहीं।
Okay, maybe you may not be full pass. Baba probably Baba is saying
थोड़ा कम,
80%. You have reached 80%, though it's not 100%.
1-2 मार्क्स कम हुआ
Okay, a
तो
few
ठीक है,
marks, 1 or 2 marks
लेकिन
less
ज़्यादा
is okay. But
फेल
then
अगर मार्क्स
if there
नहीं
are very less
तो
marks
फिर
and you fail, it's not a good sign.
इसलिए
So you have
अभी
got
एम
8
क्या
out of 10,
रखेंगे?
but if it is less, then it may be called fail.
फेल
So
हुआ तो अभी एक ही बात है क्या? आप में से समझते हैं पास हुआ तो ये राइट है या ये भी चलता है?
or if you think, oh, I've just passed, it's fine. If I've just
बस
passed,
ये
though I've not
रखें
fully passed, but it's okay. Whatever
इतनी
marks
क्लास
I've
में
got is okay.
इसमें
But if you think even that's not right, because you must pass fully and therefore not miss any class, not miss the study even one day,
स्टूडेंट
because a student
की सदा एम यही रहे
always keeps
तो
the
मैं
aim
पास
that
हो
I must pass fully.
कोशिश करूँगा नहीं
Not that I will try to pass
हो जाऊँ
or I wish to pass or I'll try to pass. A good student will not say that.
तो आज सभी ने मेहनत की
So,
क्योंकि कितने कितने परसेंट मार्क
so today you worked hard, you were remembering Baba whole day. How much do you think percentage you got today? How much percentage you got?
किस नंबर तक
You
आए?
did raise your hand, but how much
वो भी
number
तो देखना
you
है।
have received, that you have to see.
पास तो हो गए
Although you
पास
you
ना
may
भी
have
बना
passed, but then that pass is also
1-2
not
नंबर या
complete.
ठीक पास जिसको कहते हैं वो हुए तो हमें ये ध्यान रखो
So only a few
किसी
have
भी
passed
बात
very
में
well. Therefore, you
पास
have to
माना
pay
पास
attention that I must pass. Pass means pass. I have to pass. Not
फेल
any
का
any
नंबर अभी
marks will
है
do,
अच्छा
because
जरूर
failing is not a good sign.
ऐसे आदत होंगी जिसमें बिजी रहते हैं।
Because if you are failed, it means your attention is somewhere else. You have some other habits, which is not good.
फिर भी कितने लोग बैठे हैं यहाँ
So see so many of you are sitting here
जो पास हुए हैं वो हाथ उठाओ।
who say, yes, we have passed. They have full confidence. Raise your hand. Papa is looking.
अच्छे
Okay.
ये आगे आगे ही बैठे हैं पास में
Or is it those who are sitting near that they have passed? Papa wants to see the past. Wants to see those at the back also.
अच्छा है
It is good.
जब पास में हाथ उठाते हैं तो नशा कितना चढ़ता.
So when you raise your hand to say that you are past, you feel so intoxicated, don't you?
बोलो.
बाबा सेवा का टर्न महाराष्ट्र जो उनका है, महाराष्ट्र, आंध्र, बॉम्बे.
So when Ben gets up and says,
सब मिलाकर के 22,000.
Maharashtra, Andhra
सभी महाराष्ट्र,
are
बॉम्बे,
the servers. Maharashtra, Mumbai, Andhra is all Maharashtra. 15,000 have come, and the others from the other states. So total 22,000. So Bap Dada is congratulating all of you from Maharashtra. That you have given your test and you have passed in the test.
तो जो पास हुए हैं उनको बहुत बहुत बधाई.
Congratulations to all of those who have passed. You know, here Baba today, everybody was made to be in complete silence also, and they worked hard on it to remain in complete silence today. So many did pay attention towards themselves. So Baba saying, those who really worked hard and paid attention to themselves, raise your hand. And many are raising their. So not many have really worked hard on it. So you have not really worked very hard. The result is not complete, but still. So still quite a lot who say that you have passed. It's good. Bap Dada likes it.
आधे से ज़्यादा है.
It's more than half. It's good.
सभी महाराष्ट्र वाले बैठेंगे.
All those are Maharashtra. Please sit down.
बाबा डबल विदेशी भाई बहनें
Baba
आए
double
हैं.
foreigners have
550
five.
देशों से 50 तुमने 550.
From 50 countries, 550 from 50 countries. All double foreigners, please stand up. 550 from 50 countries.
फिर भी इतने तो निकले.
So many double foreigners.
पुरुषार्थ फिर भी किया है.
It's good, you have made good efforts. It's good.
अच्छा, इन पास वालों के लिए ताली बजाओ.
So those who have also clap for those who have passed. Baba is still referring to the test in which all of you have passed.
अच्छा है, क्योंकि रिजल्ट मिलने से ये प्रभाव पड़ता है. तो ये स्टूडेंट.
So when the result is out, each one comes to know what type of student this one is, how much interest he has in the study, or is it that he has interest in other things rather than the study.
फिर भी अच्छा है. जो देखो ये दो आए हैं अलग अलग है या एक ही है?
See, these two have come, Baba, I don't know.
दोनों
For whom
अलग
Baba.
अलग है घर के, या एक ही घर में दो है?
Baba is talking about somebody. Are they two from separate houses, or they are from one house?
एक ही घर में दो पास है सिर्फ हाँ ना करो।
हाँ जी बोल रहे हैं बाबा।
हाँ जी, they are saying हाँ जी, yes. Baba Singh say yes or no, and they are saying yes.
दोनों ही पास हो गए।
Both have passed,
ये
is
तो
it not?
बहुत
It's
अच्छा।
good. There's the couple standing here, and probably Baba is referring to that.
अच्छा, तो आप सबकी तरफ से बापीनों को मुबारक दे।
So on behalf of all of you, Bap Dada is congratulating
तो
them.
बोलेंगे नहीं, इसलिए यहाँ सभा के बीच में दे रही।
ठीक है।
अच्छा है, रिजल्ट मिलने से उमंग आता है।
So there's enthusiasm when the result is
इतनी कम
opened. Result is, and the result is out.
हर एक समझेगा ये
So if the result is less, then people will question why
और
is
करते
is the result not so good, and then the thought comes, if I would have studied better, then I would have got a good result.
और कर सकते हैं।
And you can do it.
थोड़े अलबेले रहे,
Probably you have been little bit careless and thought, oh, it will happen, it will
हो
happen.
जाएगा नहीं।
Not that it will
होना
happen,
ही
it
है।
has to happen. It has to happen. That confidence should be there, the determination should be there.
सभी डबल विदेशी भाई बहनें
Okay, double
बैठेंगे।
foreigners, sit down.
बाबा तीनों स्थानों पर मधुबन, ज्ञान सरोवर, शांतिवन में फूलों का श्रृंगार कलकत्ता वालों ने किया
So
है।
those of
600
Calcutta,
भाई
they
बहनें आई हैं
decorated
कलकत्ता
Pandav Bhavan,
बहुत
Gyan
सुंदर श्रृंगार
Sarovar,
हुआ है।
Shantivan
सभी
very well
कलकत्ता
with
वाले
flowers.
खड़े हुए हैं।
They brought all the flowers from Calcutta.
फूलों का श्रृंगार।
So many came
अच्छा है,
from
कर
Calcutta
दिया।
and brought
पीछे बहुत
flowers
है।
with the many sitting at the back.
लेकिन इससे ये सीखो कि
So
हम भी
learn from this
लाइन में उठे,
that
इसी लाइन में
when Baba tells you all to stand up, you should all stand up,
ऐसे
especially
ही
in the
सीखते जाएंगे।
line of those who have passed. So Baba wants everybody to pass.
अच्छा है,
It's
जिन्होंने
good.
हाथ उठाया
So all those who
उनको
raise their
इन
hand,
सब जो भी
to
बैठे
all
हैं,
of you who are sitting or
उनकी
standing,
तरफ
and
से 100 गुना ज्यादा
so on behalf of all those sitting, you give them 100 times more.
अच्छा है, सब उमंग उत्साह में
So all
हैं।
are here with great
तो दूसरी
enthusiasm.
बारी फिर नंबर
So
और
next
आगे
time
होंगे।
you will get even more
एक
number.
बारी किया है ना,
Now you have taken a
अभी
number, and
उमंग आ
now
गया,
you
हम
have
भी हो
become
सकते हैं।
enthusiastic, so you can
तो
do
दोबारा
more
फिर
next time
कीजिए।
and get more marks.
तो कोशिश करना नंबर और आगे।
So make effort to get more marks in the future.
सभी कलकत्ता वाले बैठेंगे। बाबा पहली बार बहुत आए हैं।
Baba,
जो
so
first time
many
आए
who
हैं,
have
वो
come
खड़े हो जाएं।
for the first time in this kalpa. All those who have come for the first time in this kalpa,
बाबा
raise your
मिलन के
hand.
लिए जो फर्स्ट टाइम
First time in
खड़े
this
हो जाएं।
kalpa to meet Bap Dada. To meet Bap Dada first time in this kalpa, raise your hand.
class तो
Oh,
है।
it's like half a class, Baba is saying.
पास आधा तो है.
It's about half the class. So must be at least 10,000 first timers, and if it's 10, if it's 20,000.
इतने थोरों ने उठाया.
So again Baba's referring to those who have passed, very few raised their hand. So if you make more effort, then all of you can pass. Baba will say that it will be so good if all of you pass.
हम तो कहेंगे ये बहुत उमंग उत्साह होना चाहिए.
So Baba would say that there should be more zeal and enthusiasm.
ये नंबर लेना कोई
To
रवाजी
take
बात
a
नहीं.
number is not
नाम
a
तो
small
हुआ
thing.
ना.
At least
सारी क्लास उनके मित्र संबंधी
the whole class, all the friends and relatives all become so happy when they get a number.
अगर गिनती करे तो कितने होंगे.
Still there'll be so few.
उनके माँ बाप चाचा चाची नजदीक वाले
Mother,
तो
father, uncle, aunts all will be so happy that this one has got a good number.
लेकिन अच्छा है
It is good
जो आपने नंबर तो ले लिया.
that you have taken a number. Good.
सभी बैठेंगे. बाबा याद प्यार देना है सभी को.
फिर भी नंबर में तो आ गए ना.
So all of you have got the number. It's good that you have been able to come here. You know,
अच्छा.
something better than nothing. It's
अच्छा.
okay.
अभी हम भी जो पहले नंबर वाले आए हैं उनको बहुत बहुत
So
मुबारक.
first of all, congratulations to those who have got a number ahead, those who have passed. First, congratulations to them.
मंच पर आएंगी दादी जानकी जी, रतमन दादी, मोहिनी बहन, मुन्नी बहन,
So
ईशा दादी,
daddies are
कीजी निर्मला
invited on the
और
stage.
रुक्मणी दादी मंच पर आएंगी. बाप दादा ने तो हम सबको आज की सभा में बैठे हुए सभी भाई बहनों को पढ़ाई की रिजल्ट सुना दी, लेकिन आगे क्या करना है वो भी
अच्छा
बाबा ने बताया.
अच्छा है.